When he comes towards me on a good day, I feel better. But then when he moves away, immediately I feel worse. I watch him leave. I'm watching his back. I'm waiting for him to turn around and look at me, but he never turns around to look at me. That is a rule. He never turns around to look. Just walks on and on. Not fast, not slow. Till he turns to a speck. Then disappears. I want to shout out at him to wait. I want to shout out at him, stop, turn around. But I can't. I have no voice. Well, of course I have a voice. This is my voice, but my voice is inside me and it won't come out. There's a rule that my voice won't come out. Which is good. Yeah. It's good that my voice won't come out. Since if I did shout at him to wait, if I did shout at him to stop, turn around, and he had heard the shout and went on walking all the same, then what would that mean? It would mean he would know and made a demand. It would mean that he had heard the demand and ignored it. It would mean I had poisoned a good day, not just for me, for him too. Yeah. Him too. And he'd not throw it back in my face on the next bad day. No, he'd throw it back in his own face. Throw my demand back in his own face like acid. Because the thing that happens on a bad day, the bad thing that happens on a bad day when the speck first appears, and then the speck is a man, and the man is him, and no. Start again, please.